How would you say in French, it is absolutely fantastic here? C'est absolument fantastique ici. C'est absolument fantastique ici. Now here's a word that you might recognise if you've learnt any French before. Très. Très. It means very. Très. So how would you say it is very good? C'est très bon. C'est très bon. So just to recap, we've had bon, which means good. C'est means it is. Then we had fantastique, which means fantastic. Absolument means absolutely. Ici means here. And très means very. So how would you say in French, it is very good here? C'est très bon ici. C'est très bon ici. Now you might be wondering what that little line is on top of the E in the word très. Well, it's called an accent. Don't worry about it for the time being, we'll look at it in detail in a later lesson, but for now, just remember to write it on the word très. T-R-E-S, and there's an accent over the E. Now the word c'est was it is. Well, here's the opposite. Ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. It means it isn't. Ce n'est pas. So how would you say in French, it isn't here? Ce n'est pas ici. Ce n'est pas ici. How would you say it isn't good? Ce n'est pas bon. Ce n'est pas bon. It isn't very good. Ce n'est pas très bon. Ce n'est pas très bon. That lesson was from my course 3-Minute French. If you enjoyed it and would like to keep learning, you can enroll on the full course at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Merci.